Kameme TV presenter wa Gĩcigo Kariuki has shared some very lovely news. Ndeto cia kenerero na ukungwiro muno ni mafans ake na muno makimwira congratulations. No mbere tukirora ndeto na kiundu giake muno giakorwo gia kuhanikira one of Kikuyu favorite tiktokers Mbote Njogu ni akorwo agitungwo ni kiundu kiena ruo muno, kiundu ginya giatiga aingi mategwitikia na ona magicakaya ndeto ino. Mbote Njogu ni arikitie kumbura kiroko kio muthi atima he woke up to find his TikTok account irerari na following nene muno and also with over 18 million likes has been banned. Mbote agikiuga ma ni ruo runene muno ni undu ataretikia ginya kwa ndagika ino. This being what Mbote has shared, akiuria mnatulizanga nini na Baba Talisha mmeka report follow my backup account. Mbote agikiuga just like what happened to Baba Talisha uria onake lose account yake ina over 1 million followers. Riu onake Mbote ni aguthitwo ni kiundu giki na pole sana tu Mbote. Na riu kuri ndeto wa Gĩcigo Kariuki arikitie kumbura wa Gĩcigo Kariuki uria for the longest time arakoretwo atekuonania mwendo wake, but around last year she finally revealed her husband, her bae and the father of her kids. Na riu kuri muthenya wa ira wa Gĩcigo Kariuki nyarakorwo surprise mafans ake o ringi akimauburira ciegi ruracio rwake Kikuyu traditional wedding. Now she has shared a snippet of how the day was, how her ruracio was, akirekereria mbica yake nererwo muno, no at the same time undu uria acoka kumbura ni wagegia aingi muno tondu Wangeci ni akorwo akimbura ati it is not a recent thing. She had her ruracio some years back. No, it was a very low key wedding kana ruracio tondu it happened during COVID time. Na ni undu wa mitaratara iria yagathikitwo ni thirikari and the Ministry of Health, Wangeci ni akorwo akiuga ati they were not able to invite everyone kana ona have a big wedding kana ruracio. No mafans ake ni matigo makiuga aca irudiwo ni maigwa matekuiganira to have missed our Wangeci's ruracio ni undu mangiendire gukorwo makionera, but nonetheless they are happy for her and her bae. Ino alio post akorwo akirekereria COVID time hii nayo tulibahatika siku ya COVID. Chief alisema watu wasipite 30, mchele tukapika glass mbili, usumbufu haukuwa, sijui soda za mama, sijui wazee wanataka nini ama walinipeana at least nikanone kiasi, and lazima watu wakae hapo mbele ya kwa parade. Hiki tu irudiwa ilipita wengi. Now this here being her traditional wedding, ino alio bisha korwa kirekereria na indeed yali hede ya COVID, as you can see they are all in face masks. No nyundo wake nero muno ni mafans na mashabiki ake na makima congratulate na njira nene muno, and we too congratulate her Wagĩcigo Kariuki and her husband on their ruracio.